quick event update. I'm sorry about missing the last one, the actually important one, where I scored 200,000 points. But here I am. This is possibly one of the calmest events I've had to do in my entire career. It was just ridiculous. I forgot it was on. It was that simple, and I got well into tier 2 as well. I only had to spend 11 gems, and they were done within what, the first 2-3 days when I came off school. So yeah, there I am. And well, yeah, I enjoyed it, of course. I always like Medley festivals, so I'll just be quickly collecting my results. I'm not using any scouting tickets, and I'll be idolizing off my cards, and then I'm done. I am done. I came out of the event. Oh yeah, I didn't manage to record it, but I pulled SSR. I pulled SSR Maki. I did not mean to idolize her. I have the stickers to do it, but I'm so close to who you are that it would just be a waste to spend them now. So, idolize. Girl. Unlike most of these, actually, well, I'm not sure what you think, but, I really like this set, like, god damn it, like the Honoka, and, where is she? Oh, I don't even have her, I'm being stupid, the Maki. She came out ages ago, and I wasn't playing when she came out, so I kinda can't avoid that. Oh well. So yeah, event end, but as we know, the ends are so goddamn messed up that we don't know what she's gonna. Okay, just looks pretty standard, to be honest. I don't know which set she could have come from or where she was supposed to go, but here she. And now just a quick idolization practice. Even, god damn it. Oh my baby Daya, I love you. Yeah, I got her. I got the Yo ages ago. So yeah, where is she? There she is. The order's all messed up now because Aqua cards already, and I need to idolize those ends. Shit. Oh my god. See, this is Medley with alpacas, and a lot of them as well. And those SR support cards, I got those from wall boxes. I was quite lucky. I managed to pull, or not pull, but you know, get five Fumikos. I'm saving them, but not enough alpaca. Brilliant. Okay, so... Oh, god damn it. You know what, I don't need that many alpacas, I'll just use another one. Here we go. Warning, if it's a super sticker, god damn it, super success, I'll be annoyed because it was... And it was not a waste. Oh, I'm not watching this. That would be painful. 4, 8, 10. Surely to get my team. I'll just have a double check. The ultimate test. Okay, so 4, 8, 10. Well, oh, I don't. All of my Aqua SRs up here that have been given school idol skills. 5, 5, 20. Oh yeah, she's got a cool kiss as well, just in case. Right, so yeah, once she's been bonded, she will overtake basically all of my cards. Yeah, she's really, really strong. God damn, well done. That was totally, I don't know why not that many people tiered for her. And to end on an incredibly K-Lab-like note, happy Halloween, bitches. No, but seriously, Merry Christmas. I hope you get all the Christmas presents you want, whether that may be, you know, Yohane for Halloween. Or if you don't celebrate Christmas or whatever, I still wish you the best of fortunes. Oh, that's new. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm going to end my video there, and I'll probably be back after the Kanamari event that will be coming up. Faithful data miner, Ray Firefist. Okay. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.